Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a crystal beaded necklace like this. So, what you're going to need is a gold beaded string wire. You can get this at General Bead. You're going to need your beads. I have 8 of them, so I have a emerald, crystal, sapphire, and a ruby. So let me show you. Let's get started. So you're going to take your beaded wire. You're going to take about 2 feet of this. Then you're going to cut it. Where in the world is my scissors? Oh, here they are. Okay, so you're going to cut it. Okay, then you're going to put your crystal in. So first thing is your crystal. And then comes your bead. So you could, like I said, you could choose whatever color you like, but I chose, the colors I chose. I like to put each color identical on one side. Red goes on the left side, and then a red ruby goes on the right side. So it's going to look something like this. So I'm going to show you guys what it's going to look like once it's finished. Yep, so guys, this is the finishing touch of the necklace. Yep. So once you finish, it's going to look like this. And then you're going to see what it looks like around your neck. So you're going to kind of test out the length and the length you cut out for it. Yeah. So then before you put it on your neck, I was just showing you. You're going to push the 2 strings together, the 2 wires. And then you're going to make a loop like this. And then push these 2 strings inside the loop like that. I'm going to show you one more time. A loop. First you pull it together, you make a loop like this. And then you pull the 2 strings inside the loop like this. And you pull it together. You're going to pull it apart like this with your fingers, your teeth. Well, I love my teeth, so I ain't gonna mess with my teeth. You can use some pliers from General Bead as well. These pliers to tighten it. Yeah, like that. Yeah, and then you put on your neck like this. Yep, this is it. Yep, guys. This is what it looks like up close. Look a closer look at it. Don't get hypnotized now. I know it looks mesmerizing. Well, anyway, guys, you can wear this necklace anywhere if you're going to a club or a beach or in a swimming pool, and it doesn't tarnish. That's the best part about it. But anyway, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. You can like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. Alright guys, have a good day.